telling you, man. Dio is better. You gotta get him to rock, dude.
Man, you're crazy. I'll stick with Kenny Rogers, man.
No way. No way. Well, I gotta go home. I'll catch you later,
Hey,
guy.
man, you want to come in for a beer or something?
Well, what about your mom?
She's not home. Don't worry about it. It's cool.
No problem. Man. I don't know. My mom would have a fit. Hey, what's that?
What's what?
That.
I've never seen this before.
Looks like some little toy or something.
Hey, that ain't no toy.
I'd forget about it. Look. Oh, man, let's just get the beer. Forget that kind of stuff.
Beer, man.
Hey, dude, it's your house.
Yeah, sure it is.
Hey, do you mind if I just get the beer myself?
Go for it. It's in the fridge.
Alright.
While you're at it, give me one too. I'm just telling you, Butch, this isn't any ordinary rock.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, I wish I wouldn't. Man, I'm alive. Jesus Christ. Butch! 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 Butch!
Hey, dude, there's only like one beer. Hope you don't mind. I don't know why you do this homework. I don't do it. I don't dig homework. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna like... Hey, little Joe, you're not looking good. This is really weird.
Let that down now!
You okay? Joe, you okay? Joe.
Thanks a lot for the beer, Butch. Butch? Dear God. Butch, come on and scope this thing out. Hey, Butch! Butch!